Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how I prepared these lamb shanks. We call it as nalli curry here. This recipe can be served in a gravy format, or you can dry the gravy out and serve it in a semi curry format. So either ways it tastes good with rotis. I'm going to show you how I prepared it from the beginning. I purchased these lamb shanks, a pack of 4. So I purchased 2 packs from Fresh to Home. These lamb shanks are vacuum seal pack as per your order. And what they do is they have this temperature control and they freeze the lamb shanks. So once you get it, you can thaw it and you can prepare the lamb shanks right away. Here I'm going to wash it. So it was quite a large lamb shank. I didn't know that these lamb shanks were too big. So I have washed all the lamb shanks. Now while I'm preparing the recipe, you'll get to see all the issues I had when preparing this. So I've washed the lamb shanks thoroughly, or allowed all the excess water to drain out in the colander itself, and I've reserved the lamb shanks. So here you can see how large they are. So I didn't have an idea. I thought I could prepare this in the pressure cooker. Now I've laid out all the ingredients for this recipe. Here I've got turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder and chili powder. For spices I'll be using fennel seeds, cumin seeds, Shahi Jeera, pepper corns, cloves, Star Anise, cardamom, cinnamon, and a small piece of javitri or mace, 1 onion and 1 tomato just cut into halves and quarters, small amount of coconut, ginger and garlic. I'm going to grind all the ingredients. So when I was about to grind the masala, I just remembered that I have forgotten to place the peppercorns and the Shahi Jeera, and also I added a small piece, very small piece of Lichen or patthar ki phool. So I'm adding this stone flour, very small piece. Now I'll add all the ingredients and I'll grind it into a smooth paste. I just added half a cup of water to grind everything into a smooth paste. Make sure none of the masalas are hard and you don't get any sort of hard masalas. Everything should be ground in a smooth format. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've got a detailed recipe. Here you can see I've ground this masala into a very fine and smooth paste. Now I've heated a pressure cooker. I placed it on medium flame, and to the pressure cooker I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Now this is where I faced a lot of issues. Even though the pressure cooker was quite large, I was unable to stir the lamb shanks. Now you'll get to see that. So what I suggest you do is, you cook the lamb shanks first and then you use a very large pan to sort of fry the lamb shanks in the masala. Now here you can see I've added the masala and I started frying the masala. This is the mistake I did here. So I was unable to coat the lamb shanks in the masala and cook it thoroughly. At this point, I ran into trouble. I was unable to coat the lamb shanks in the masala. So I would, when you're preparing this, I would suggest you cook the lamb shanks with a little bit of ginger garlic paste, some turmeric powder and chili powder, and then you start preparing the masala and cook it separately in a different pan, in a large pan with the masala. That's how you can coat the lamb shanks in the masala. So here I was unable to turn the lamb shanks and it was very difficult because it was too large. I didn't estimate it at that point. So now you can see I was really struggling, and I was trying to toss it. I would like to repeat myself. Whatever ingredients I've used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've got a detailed recipe. Now you can see I've added salt and 2 cups of water. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. I keep posting a lot of stories and updates on a regular basis on my social media. You can follow me there. You can also follow me on the community tab on YouTube. So once I've added the salt and water, I stirred the lamb shanks. Now I'm going to cover this and pressure cook it for 7 whistles. It took me 7 whistles. After 7 whistles, the pressure has released. Now I'm going to open the pressure cooker. You can see the lamb shanks have cooked. At this point, I'm going to place it on medium flame. The meat was literally falling off the bone. It was nicely cooked. You can do a taste test at this point and add salt, or you can adjust the chili powder as per your preference. Now I've added a teaspoon of tamarind pulp. You can also use lemon juice. Now I've added a fistful of curry leaves while I was frying the lamb shanks, and I reduced that masala. I'm going to serve this for rotis. So once the gravy is nicely thickened and it's formed that curry sort of a format, I'm just going to serve it up. It turned out very good, friends. You have to try this, and especially once the masala dries out, you know, when you taste it with the rice or roti, or you can serve it for biryani also, tastes excellent. Do give this recipe a try, friends, and follow my tips. I'm going to try the lamb shanks again from Fresh to Home. I'll post all the links in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.